Hi, I'm going to pick the winner for the Knit Crate Yarn giveaway. If you're interested in being a member, the link is down below. Your first month you can get 20% off, and the promo code under me is Jewel20, and to be a member is $24.95 per month. And the winner is Linda Austin. Thanks for the giveaway. I'm working on 2 blankets, a 5 nights of Freddy, Pirate Foxy, and Minecraft Steve for my 2 grandsons. Congratulations. Um, the email to contact me is listed down below in the description. Please contact me and I'll send out the yarn as soon as possible. And thank you everybody for participating and subscribing. Look out for the next giveaway. And I have a new Facebook um, page and group if you'd like to be a member or like my page. The links for that are down below because I was hacked a while ago, so I had to start all over. And if you'd like to go to my new forum, you can do that as well. And um, look out for my next giveaway. Thank you for participating and subscribing.